Day 3 of finding products for you guys every single day of online arbitrage sourcing, okay, of sourcing until I find a profitable product, right? So today I'm not going to lie, I am a little bit tired. So we are going to be fast. We are going to try to do this really fast, right? And beat records. Okay, so we're going to start from the product that we had yesterday. Let me turn on my light. Yeah, no setup. Oh my God, wait. Here we go, no setup at all. Yeah, I'm just trying to do this quick for you guys today. That's the product that we found yesterday, right? By the way, if you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos right here on this YouTube channel to help you with your Amazon business, right? So if you're new, subscribe. Let's get into this. So we had one seller yesterday, I saved him here, right? On which we found this product right here, right? Now, we have a lot of medical sellers, people that kind of are in the niche, right? I think this was the guy once no. So we have a new sellers, right, that we can actually stalk. So let's do it. Okay, so yeah, I think it was this guy that we saw yesterday. But I think we haven't looked at this product, right? So let's look at it. It looks kind of overpriced for a small thing like this. It's just a cutter. Okay, let's check. Let's see if you can find it profitably. It's a base coach, or what is this? It's $27 for this thing. That's actually crazy. So it was probably on sale. Now, I'm curious. Do we have a lot of people on it? We have 12 sellers. And we have some guys with 4 reviews that are on this. Oh my God, this guy sold a shit ton of these. But that's not the guy that we're after. We're trying to stick to beginner sellers, right? So create bias BD. You know what? Let's do this guy. Let's do this guy. Yeah, so we have 2 guys with low reviews. We're going to focus on them. Let me load up their store already. Boom. Some hot top pot. I've seen that quite a lot lately. So the good thing is, this guy, by the way, yeah, pay really close attention to these products. Okay, so quick teaching moments. You see a lot of these ports that are like Dyson vacuum port, right? That are not under the brand. For some of them, pay really close attention because some people sell the generic brands on the real listing. So right here, it's just like the generic brand, like the Chinese replacement brand, right? Let's see if we can find it. Yeah, we need to find, yeah, that part, that, yeah. I want to dig into this. I know that I found this in the past. If I was looking at Seller Amp, I would see it. But yeah, I know this product very well. Let's check out the other thing. So I'm curious about the hot tap stuff and some random beauty product. Let's look at them all. So that's some random thing to measure or like to weight. Here we go, 719 JCPenney. 719. If that's the one, that's crazy good. So we have a, if that's the one, we have a winner. Manual luggage thing. Yeah, that's it. That's the one. That's the one. And it's actually moving. So you probably want to, yeah, so people sold out, and you probably want to sell it at 22, right? So boom, at 22, you're still hugely profitable. So I don't know if it's people selling out right here or people got removed from the listing. So pay really close attention. But that's, yeah, people got, no, maybe not. No, maybe not. People just sold out. Yeah, end of December, people sold out. So yeah, here we go. Huge profit. Okay, less than 5 minutes. I found a profitable product for you. I'll see you for day 4 tomorrow. Thank you for watching.